Hello students, in our last video we had discussed exercise 6.4 up to question number 5th. Now in this video we will discuss from the question number 6th. And the question number 6 is find the length of the side of a square whose area is 441 meter square. It is given in the question that the area of square is 441 meter square and we have to find out the side of this square. As we all know that area of square is side into side. Area of square is equal to side multiplied by side. We also know that side multiplied by side is side square. And it is given in the question that area of square is 441 meter square. So students, we have side square is equal to 441 meter square. Now, if we transfer this square from the left side to the right side, it converted into square root. So we have side is equal to square root of 441. From there we have to find out the value of square root of 441. For this we use division method to find out the square root of 441. And first step is making pair from the left side, from the right side, and we have 4 bar and 41 bar. Next step is to put same number in the divisor and in the question so that their product is less than or equal to for our first bar. So we have 2 in the divisor and in the question portion and their product is 4, which is equal to the 4, and our remainder is 0. In next step we bring down number under the second bar and we have 041, it means 41. It is our new number. Now we are going to double this number and we have 4. In the next step we have to put a number to the right side of this number and multiply this number by that number and whose product is less than or equal to our resultant number. So if we put 1 to the right side of 4 and multiply this whole number by 1, we have 41. So square root of 441 is 21. It means side of the square is 21 meter. Question number 7 is, in a right triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree, and first part is if AB is equal to 6 cm, BC is equal to 8 cm, find AC. In second part we have AC is equal to 13 cm, BC is equal to 5 cm, find AB. For solving question number 7 part A, first we draw the diagram according to the given information. So here you can see that ABC is a right angle triangle in which angle B is 90 degree, AB is 6 cm and BC is 8 cm. In the first part we have to find out the side, measurement of the side AC, and it is the hypotenuse. This portion of triangle, right angle triangle, is known as the hypotenuse. BC is known as the base and AC is known as the perpendicular. Now we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem for this triangle, and according to the Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square plus base square. Now we are going to put all the values from our question to this equation. So hypotenuse is AC. We write here AC square. Perpendicular is AB, so we write here AB square, and base is BC. So we write here BC square. Now put values according to their sides, and in the right side we have AC square, in the left side we have AC square, and in the right side we have 6 square plus 8 square. 6 square is 36, 8 square is 64, and their sum is 100. So AC square is 100. Now we have to find out the value of AC, not AC square. For this we transfer this square from the right side, from the left side to the right side, as this square shifted from the left side to the right side, it converted into square root, and we have AC is equal to square root of 100. Now from here we can easily find out the value of square root 100 by using the division method or by using the prime factorization method. In this way you can solve B part of this question. Now we are going to move our 8th question, and 8th question is, a gardener has 1000 plants. He wanted to plant these in such a way that the number of rows and the number of columns remains same. Find the minimum number of plants needed more for this. So it is given in the question that total number of plants is 1000. So first we trying to find out the square root of 1000. Since we all know that it is not a perfect square number, so we have 39 as the remainder and 31 as the quotient. It means square root of 31 is less than 1000, and next perfect square number is 32, whose square is 1040. Then we subtracted these two numbers, 1040 minus 1000, and we have 24. So gardener required 24 more plants for this. Last question of this exercise is, there are 500 children in a school for a PT drill. They have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. How many children would be left out this arrangement? If the number of rows and the number of columns are equal, it means we have to make a square like arrangement here. So first, it is given in the question that the total number of children is 500. By getting the square root of this number, we have 16 as the remainder and 22 as the quotient. In each row, number of children is 22 and left out children are 16. Thank you.